Hello dear student, we are studying General Science Physics and today's topic is question from dimension analysis. Question is in van der Waals gas equation P plus A by V square into V minus B equals to RT, where P equals to pressure, V equals to volume, T equals to temperature. Find dimensional formula of A, B and R. In the question, van der Waals equation given, which is P plus A by V square into V minus B equals to RT, where P equals to pressure, V equals to volume and T equals to temperature. We have to find the dimensional formula of A, B and R. Here the equation is given P plus A by V square into V minus B equals to RT. P plus A by V square into V minus B equals to RT, where P equals to pressure, P equals to pressure, V equals to volume and T equals to temperature. We are finding the dimensional formula of A, B and R. R is universal gas constant. So we have to find the dimensional formula of A, B and R. That is why we first find the dimensions of pressure. So pressure dimension of pressure is m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. It is the dimension of pressure. Volume is L power 3 and temperature. The dimension of temperature is K or theta. We can say both K or theta. So we find the three terms dimension: pressure, volume and temperature. Now according to principle of homogeneity, the term P and A by V square, these are two terms and this dimensional formula are same. That is why these both terms are added. So according to principle of homogeneity, the dimensions of P equals to dimensions of A by V square. Now put the value of here dimensions of P. So ml power minus 1 T power minus 2 is equals to A by V square. So we have to find the value of A. So A by L power 3 power of 2. Therefore A equals to ml power minus 1 T power minus 2 into L power 3 of power 2. Now when we calculate this value, we can find the value of A. So you can also calculate this value. So value will be m L power minus 1 T power minus 2 into L power 6. Therefore A is equal to, when calculate this two term, so A is equal to m L power 5 T power minus 2. This is the dimensions of A. We find the dimension of A. Now we have to find the dimension of B. So for B, now again we apply according to principle of homogeneity formula. According to principle of homogeneity, the V and the term B is two term. So here dimensions of V equals to dimension of B, because these are two term. So dimensions of V equals to dimension of B, dimensions of V equals to L power 3 equals to B. Therefore B equals to L power 3. It is the dimension of B. Next term we have to find the dimensions of R. So here in equation P plus A by V square into V minus B, this is the one term let this is the one term and RT is another term. So here now, according to principle of homogeneity, dimensions of P plus A by V square into V minus B equals to dimensions of RT. Dimensions of RT, because these also are two terms. These are also two terms. Now we put these dimensions. So here P plus A by V square, dimensions of P into V equals to dimensions of RT. Now dimensions of P into V. So how it will be there? Here P plus A by V square. These are two terms and these two terms have same dimension. P and A by V square has same dimensions. Same way V and B has the same dimension. So these are dimensions are same. That is why this dimension can't added. Therefore dimensions of P into V equals to dimensions of RT. M L power minus 1 T power minus 2 into L power 3 equals to R into K. Now R equals to M L power minus 1 T power minus 2 into L power 3 by K. Therefore R equals to M L power 2 T power minus 2 K power minus 1. It is the dimensions of K. So we find the three value of dimension A, B and R. It is A dimensions and it is dimensions of B and it is dimensions of R. So we find the all three value of dimensions A, B and R. So this is today topic and its topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.